Hello kids, today we learn counting with the help of another activity. Let's start today's class. I make raindrop under each cloud. First we count number 1 2. So I make 2 raindrop. 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Next number is 5. I make 5 raindrop. 1 2 3 4 5. Next number is 6. So I make here 6 raindrop. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So I make 7 raindrop. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Next number is 8. So I make 8 raindrop. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Next number is 9. So I make 9 raindrop. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Next number is 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. I hope you enjoy class very much. So don't forget like the video and subscribe my channel. I again recall them 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Thanks for watching kids.